This video will show you how to view your equipment costs on your field profit center reports. So we're going to start with the field operations area, go to the equipment on the left nav, and focus on one machine here. So in this example, I'm going to pick out this John Deere tractor. You'll notice I've got a $15 per acre default unit cost, as well as a $27.39 actual cost. Now, this $15 is really just an educated guess number that I typed in. And this actual cost is being calculated automatically by taking your ownership cost as well as your operating cost and all your acres of field records. And so that's how it's coming up with that number in Traction. Now to see those numbers on a report, I'm going to switch to Dashboard, go to Field Profit Center, and I've got just one field selected here for my example, but if I go down at the bottom here, you'll see that it's showing my actual equipment cost for this John Deere tractor, that $27. Now it will default to this when you go to the report, but you can switch it here to default equipment costs. If I click on it and hit Update Report, you'll see that number change. It changed to my $15 per acre. And the reason why I might do this in Traction is because if I am running this report maybe at the beginning of my year, I might have a lot of cost into that machine and maybe it's covering fewer acres. And so this cost might be pretty high and it might throw off my profit center report. And so by switching it to my default equipment cost, which is my educated guess, this is maybe a little more realistic at the beginning of the year, but when you get toward the end of the season, really that actual equipment cost is really driving this report, because at the end of the day, you want to see your true cost being reflected on this report. Now, one more thing to share with you, because we get a lot of questions about this. If you go back to equipment, there might be times that you want to take this information and use it in different ways. So you can just go ahead and highlight these numbers anytime you want, and I'm going to copy them, or you can do a Control-C, and let's say bring over my spreadsheet. Just go ahead and paste this into any spreadsheet, but there you go. It's quite simple to do, and this gives you the flexibility where you can use these numbers in different ways and be able to copy that into a spreadsheet and do whatever you want to it.